I guess I'm just a play date to you.
Hi everyone, I'm Agima and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about my top 10 nude lipsticks. So without any further ado, let's get on to the video. I have my 10 lipsticks here. So let's start. So the first one is the Faces Canada one and it's in the shade Buff Nude 05. And I won't be swatching this lipsticks on my lips. I will be only swatching it on my hands. So this is how the Buff Nude looks like. It's a bullet one, so it's creamy, and this is my go-to nude lipsticks for my shoots. The next lipstick I have here with me is Huda Beauty's matte lipstick, and it's a dupe lipstick. It's in the shade 14, and let me show you. And it looks like this. So it's a proper nude here, this one, and this is also a creamy one, so they doesn't last you for too long. So the next lipstick I have here is the Stay Quirky Badass Lip Crayon, and I think it's in the shade Someone Got Some 9. I lost the back cap of this lip crayon, but it looks like this. And let me swatch it for you. It looks kind of a mauvey nude, but when you put it on your lips, it's a proper nude. It looks like a proper nude lip crayon. So this is the shade, and this is also a creamy texture. And this lip crayon also won't stay on your lips for too long. And the next lipstick I have here with me is the NY Base Matte Lip Crayon. It's in the shade City Field Got Owned 3, and it looks like this. And let me show you the swatch. This is kind of similar to the Stay Quirky one. Here, this is the swatch, and this is also a creamy texture lip crayon, and it won't stay on your lips for too long. And this is exactly a similar color like the Stay Quirky Badass Lip Crayon. So the next fifth lipstick I have here with me is the Nykaa's Wonder Puff Buttercup in the shade Baka Buttercup, and it's the cushion lipstick, and it looks like this. Let me show you this. So this is how the swatch looks like, and this is a proper nude, and I really like this cushion lipstick, and it will stay on your lips for longer period of time. I have used them, so I know it. And if you are wearing a mask, under the mask you can wear this cushion lipstick. It won't smudge. So the next lipstick I have here is the Nicka K New York True Matte Lipstick in the shade Turkish Rose. and it looks like this. Let me show you the swatch. And this is also kind of a mauvey nude here. And this is a matte lipstick, so it will stay for a longer period of time, and it's creamy. You won't feel like your lips cracking. It's a creamy lipstick, but it gets matte. So the next lipstick I have here with me is the number 7 Lip Crayon, and it's in the shade Deep Plum. And okay, let me show you. And it looks like this. And this is the shade. Let me swatch. And this is also kind of mauvey nude. It almost looks like a purple shade. I don't know why the camera is not picking up the shades of the lipsticks. They are so pretty. The next shade, the next lipstick I have here is again by Nykaa, and it's again the Wonder Puff Cushion lipstick in the shade Dream On. And this is how it looks like. And let me swatch this one for you. I have used this more than the Buck-Up Buttercup one. Oh my god, it's a pretty shade, and I love Nykaa's cushion lipsticks. So this is the shade. This is also a proper nude, and this is also like a creamy texture, and it's a matte, so it will stay for a longer period of time on your lips. So the next lipstick I have here with me is the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Creme, and it's in the shade 58, and it looks like this. I don't know why the camera is not getting focus. This is kind of a corally nude. This is the shade, and this is a lip creme, and it's a creamy texture, but it will smudge because it's not a proper matte lipstick. And the last lipstick I have here is Masaba by Nykaa, and it's in the shade Nimbu Pani. And look how cute the packaging is, and the lipstick looks like this. Okay, the lipstick from Masaba by Nykaa Bullet lipstick range, I personally love this shade, the shade Pani Puri, and it's a proper nude with a corally hint here. I really like this lipstick. Before I used to use this lipstick on my shoot a lot, but these days I haven't been able to use that lipstick because I have many lipsticks to try on. And yeah, that's all for my video today, guys. Hope you liked my video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press on the bell icon so that you will all get notified every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and follow Agima's Lifestyle and the Siva Style Store, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.